Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to divide a cell diagonally in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To divide any cell diagonally, do the following. Select a cell and right-click on it. In the context menu, select the Format Cells option, and then select the Border tab. Here we select the type of diagonal line that you need from left to right or from right to left, and before choosing a diagonal line slightly to the left, you can choose the style and color for this line. For example, let's choose the bold line and then choose the diagonal line. Click OK and the line is added. And to position the text correctly in the cell, put the cursor between the words and press the key combination Alt-Enter to move the text inside the cell to the second line. Great, now we put the cursor in front of the first word and use the spacebar to move the text to the right. As you can see, it's very simple. Now in Ultima,